They told us we were having a girl. We were very excited. And then the technician, about a few minutes later, then told us that she sees something on the sonogram that looks like it might be something to do with her lip.
I was 6 months pregnant, and I was in the obstetrician's office. And I remember they were scanning us, but they wouldn't talk to us. They wouldn't tell us what was going on. And I kept looking at Sal saying, what's the matter? Right. What's going on? What are they doing? And at one point I heard them say something about a cleft lip and a palate.
As soon as I find out, I had a breakdown in the office. I was hysterical crying. It's more the shock than trying to understand what it's really about.
In the sonogram, it turned out that Dylan had a cleft lip and a cleft palate. And we didn't know where to turn. And my wife was very upset.
It was scary to go online as a parent, having this information, being an emotional pregnant mess, and seeing all these pictures online that were honestly very scary to me. Sorry.
And I thought, will he be able to eat and breathe and all the obvious things and be a healthy baby?
So that's where it got more dramatic for me, because people were telling me all sorts of different stories. Kids with palates, they tend to choke, and I was concerned.
I actually came to Dr. Hoffman, which it was unbelievable. I remember sitting in this office behind the desk, and I brought him the pictures that I got from my sonograms, and I just said, can you help us? I didn't know what to expect. I didn't know how bad it would be.
It was more at ease when I came to see Dr. Hoffman, and he showed me the before and after pictures, and we sat down and we spoke about the severeness of cleft lip, which is really not as bad as people make it sound.
And our next meeting was still 6 months pregnant, was with Dr. Hoffman. And we both looked at each other on the way out and without hesitation said that's who we're using. And it was one of the best decisions of our lives.
So we heard a lot of great things, and when we came in to meet with him, we were put at ease. The office staff was great.
And Dr. Hoffman was just so comforting, and he said to me not to worry, we can't do anything until he's born, and I promise you he'll be okay, and we'll fix the cleft and we'll fix the palate.
But the operation went wonderfully. Dylan went for all his checkups, and he's a work of art. So I think Dr. Hoffman just did an outstanding job.
Dr. Hoffman did it all for me, everything. From the minute he was born in Methodist, Dr. Hoffman went to Methodist Hospital where he didn't practice, and he made an apparatus for his mouth. He got us transferred to North. He taught us how to feed Rocco. We brought Rocco home, and he got me all the therapists, the physical therapists, the occupational therapists. He introduced me to everyone.
So Alexis is going on 8 months now, and she's a very happy baby.
I can't even be any more than grateful for the work that Dr. Hoffman did with my son. I mean, if you look at him now, he's a complete, total different baby compared to what he was before.
The cleft hasn't slowed Dylan down at all, and he's very active and never stops. Right?
The cleft lip did not stop him from anything at all. I mean, if you look at him now, he's a bull. He's all over the place. He's a red bull and a little baby.
He's the reason why Rocco is what he is. Rocco will forever mow his lawn. Rocco will forever shovel his snow. Rocco will forever take his garbage out. Rocco and my family will forever be indebted to him.